Because when you were leading lady in your films, उस time वो heroes का दौर था, right? Those larger than life figures where the hero can do no wrong. चाहे वो set पे 4 घंटे late आए, heroine has to wait. Screen space share करना बोले तो like you're sharing 1/4 of the screen. उनका रौब ज़्यादा था.
Yes, होता था ज़रूर. In fact, I remember very clearly मेरे एक दो co-stars जो chronic late comers थे. I used to sulk with them. I couldn't say anything to them. You know, when you are like 20 years old and they are probably 35, you're not going to yell at them, right? So I would just sulk and they say, I said, I would tell my hairdresser, they don't even apologize. They just come in and as if everything is normal. We've been waiting for 5 hours. The least they can say, sorry, we are late. कोई apologize भी नहीं करता यहाँ पे.
और वो it's not as if आज तो everybody has their makeup vans and all that. वो you have to sit in the green room, baiting.
No,
and
so
sometimes
more than anything
outdoors.
else, more than anything else, you feel even my time, I could have done something else in that time, ना?
Yeah.
मैं इधर जो बैठी हूँ, thank God for my books, so I would pass my time. So when I tell people I used to read a book in a day in those days because of these nice heroes who would make me wait for hours. But I learnt my lesson of punctuality, I remember with Kamal Haasan. We were shooting for a film in Chennai and it was an outdoor shoot. So he said, everybody 7 o'clock, so-and-so garden mein sab shooting hai. So I must have reached at 7:30, makeup karke and all. By Bombay standards, I thought I was very early and, nobody comes at 7:38 and wow, I am so punctual. When I reached there, it was like very solemn, atmosphere there. I said, hi, good morning. You know, Poonam, these people have been here. They leave their home at 5 o'clock to be here at 6:30 because they don't have a car dropped it off. They may have to take public transport. And they have come hungry, tired, whatever. I think we should respect their time also. I was like, yes, absolutely. And today I say that to everybody. I said we have to respect that a unit is not made up of the 4 stars. There are 50, 70, 100 people who are working behind the cameras who are not seen. And they are there on their feet the whole day, whether they're setting up lights or they're doing the sound or the costume, and they live far away. They don't have the luxury of door-to-door pick-up and drop and drivers. So that is something one time, and as I said, I'm a fast learner, I realized that, yes, it was not out of carelessness, but just out of ignorance. I didn't even realize that. And from that day onwards, I was very particular that I would try always be on time. So this is
Mr. Bachchan also is one of those, I believe.
He is a scary extra time पे आ जाते हैं वो. Time से पहले आ जाते हैं. So that is also gives everybody a fright, ना कि 6 बजे बोला है तो वो 5 बजे पहुंच जाएंगे वहाँ.
Akshay Kumar also I've heard that वो भी time पे आते हैं whatever, but उनका जो पैकअप टाइम है वो पैकअप टाइम है. उसके बाद अगर आप लेट आ गए तो आप लेट आ गए. There are many people who are like that. They give you that. और जब हैं सेट पे तो full.
हाँ, fully there. That is the way it should be actually, na. See, only thing is I feel I as a person, I may have had, especially when my kids were small, I had a fixed time. I would say I'll leave at 8:30 or 8 o'clock because I had responsibilities. I had little bachas. So I said, no, I want to see them before they go to sleep. I don't want to reach home when they're asleep and then they are off to school. So then when my producer would say, आधा घंटा और 1 घंटा और, I would say, please don't do this because I had told you that I have to leave. I've made things clear. And that's not just a women fancy. I'm not going on parties or I have something. But try and keep this timing once in a while. But I'm such a, softie and I would grumble and then I would extend the shoot. And I would feel very irritated, but I would extend the shoot because work is a priority. Especially if you're ever doing television, then you are stuck. Because the producer will say, ये episode जाना है, कल हमको भेजना है, telecast है. So what do you say?
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.